All rise. Judge Bundaby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
The father stands up and says he needs money. I do too, the judge fires back. But the father pushes on. He's raising 5 kids by himself with no government help, no Section 8, and no assistance. He insists he's a good person doing the right thing. So the judge gets down to it. Where's the children's mother? She asks. The dad shrugs, makes a joke about a movie. She got served. Well, legally, she was served, meaning the court can move forward, even without her showing up. This could have been a big win for Dad if he played it right. Spoiler alert. He doesn't. Let's break it down. The judge explains they can move forward with the default judgment. In plain English, if someone's served and they don't show, the other side can win automatically, as long as they have their facts straight. All Dad had to do was provide some basic information.
Need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
I got 5 kids and I get paid.
Okay. So you want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I got to raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
Guess good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie? She got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, that you want to do with placing her own child.
Show he's serious. And boom. Mom could have been on the hook for child support. But what does he do? He fumbles. Big time. The judge asks, how much money does the mother make? The father answers, 45. No, wait, 47. Actually 90. Or maybe 457. Or 90. Again, the courtroom falls silent. Even the judge looks stunned. How do you walk into court asking for money without knowing even a rough estimate of the other parent's income? This isn't a lottery drawing. It's court. The judge gave him a golden opportunity. All he had to do was be honest. Instead, he played games and the judge caught on fast. One more time, she asks, exactly how much does the mother make? Still no straight answer. The judge's patience, thin as a razor blade.
Child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't you have what does like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely. She was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Can I ask for a motion for discovery too?
Mr. Casey,
Yes, Judge.
do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, Your Honor.
let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay. So which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
The father panics. Please don't dismiss my case, he pleads. I work hard. These 5 kids are killing me. The judge doesn't budge. I work hard too, she says. And you're going to work even harder by going back to refile your case. And just like that, dismissed. This wasn't about bias. It wasn't about the mother not showing up. It wasn't even about having 5 kids or needing help. It was about credibility. When you step into a courtroom, especially asking for financial support,
Sometimes she get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes she get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more
Sometimes
time,
she get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patients are wearing very thin. How much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is wearing thin?
Look, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm sorry.
well, you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day,
I'm
and
sorry,
you came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and...
You know what? I work hard too, and you're going to work even harder going back to refile this case.
Facts, documents, proof, not wild guesses and jokes. The judge was ready to rule in his favor. She acknowledged the mother had been properly served. She was ready for a default judgment. But without straight answers, she couldn't and wouldn't move forward. Bottom line, if someone is legally served and doesn't show up, the court can...
I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income. And I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful. Yeah. So if there is nothing further, your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to
Thank you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're going to do it, though? All right, that's cool.
Come in playing games, unprepared, or flat out lying. You don't just lose. You embarrass yourself. Dad had the ball in his hands and dropped it. So what do you think? Was the judge too harsh? Or was she right to shut it down? Let us know in the comments. And if you were yelling at your screen during this, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back next week for more real courtroom drama, right here on Truth Court. Now let's clear something up. What exactly is a default judgment? In Texas, if someone is properly served notice of a lawsuit and they fail to show up in court, the judge can move forward without them. Meaning, the court can rule in favor of the person who brought the case, based on the evidence they provide. It's not automatic, though. You still have to show up prepared. You need solid information.
You all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back and